Guys, so what I'm working on right now is basically homework 3. Um, I took the pepper image and I converted from color to grayscale, and show will basically show when I change the color image to a grayscale. Now to create a 256 bin vector, I pretty much creating a little array equals size y, which is the peppers picture. And then I was trying to get the image where it goes from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 all the way up to 256, but I don't think I've accomplished that. For the loop, I did for the bin index 1, 2, 56, and then I did at the second index, and I changed my intensity from his counts b plus 1 equals his counts b plus 1 plus 1, and it's supposed to pull up a bar. So when I run it, it's running. This is what I got. Don't look right. So I'm assuming that it's not right. At the command window, it shows how I did the columns, but it still didn't come out right. But it was a good attempt though. I thought I had a picture because when I did do it, it was a picture that came up and it changed to grayscale. If I change this, I'm probably gonna get an error message. What happened? I did get a picture of, oh, there you go, pepper. So it went from color to gray. So my attempt was almost good, but not good enough. I know this is supposed to be a 10-minute video, but all I have is a 3-minute work.